Hello, 40 plusers, YouTubers, people lost on the interwebs. Greetings, salutations. We are here to do unboxings of Boxycharm, the July and August boxes. Here is, let's see, which one is this? This is the July box. Here's the card package, so you can see the details of what we're going to get into. Okay, this is a makeup setting spray. I haven't used it, haven't tried it. It's going in a drawer. Honestly, I don't know if I'll get to it or when. This is a brow product made in China. Winky Locks. Spoolie. And it's got an Eye of Horus. It's got a pyramid. It's got poodles. Got some interesting imagery. It's got a teardrop shaped teardrop shaped product dispenser. It is twist up. Let's look at the color. It's cool. It's pretty hard. It was a heart for me, so now I gotta contort so you can see the heart. And I'm not being soft with it. It is a very stiff product. I don't know. We'll have to see. But it is nice and cool toned. We'll see if it goes on or if you have to struggle with it. And that is $12. And we have a lippy from ColourPop. It says it's an ultra matte bright shade called Beeper. Let's see what color Beeper actually is. Okay, this is weird. This is the end of the tube. Beeper. And this is the shade. They have no correlation whatsoever. Okay, so Beeper is a mauve cream ultra matte liquid lip. It's a great fall color. Winter. Actually, might even be a little bit, it looks even darker. Might be a little dark for me. I'll have to wait and see. So this is $6. Good color. Then from Bare Minerals, we got a duo of powders. We got a translucent, matte, and a glow powder, which is kind of cool. The matte powder is oil absorbing for setting, and the glow powder is supposed to be for highlighting and strobing. So let's open these up. I actually haven't opened this up. I took it out of the box, but I don't remember opening it up. Okay. Coverage. I mean, it's pretty obvious which is the glow and which is the matte. We got matte Glow. Matte. Glow. Those are very white for a translucent. I'll try them on my own. Okay, so the matte is going first. And we're going to put the glow down here. Yeah, we'll see. Not a lot going on for a translucent. If it's supposed to be a translucent matte, that's exactly what it was. But a translucent glow, I don't get. Interesting. Check it out. And that from Bare Minerals is a $32 duo, so 16 a piece. A little above drugstore for translucent powder, but not bad. And from the brand Blank, which I've used quite a bit of their mascaras in various formulations. This is a $45 retail MSRP eyeshadow palette. It's 5 metallic shades. It's called Electric Eyes. And I have used the heck out of this. I'm wearing it today. I've got this pinky metallic, which on me with just a little bit of brown in the crease looks a little melony, melon-like, not melony. And yeah, I've been digging these. So I'm gonna put some on the back of this hand. They are very velvety. Okay, this is gonna be the worst swatch job ever. There you go. And then one here. So this is the one I have on today. But I love these. Shh. Would I pay $45? $45 for 5 shadows is 8. It's $9 a piece. No, I would not. Would I pick one as an indulgence? Yes. I would pick one as an indulgence. I wouldn't buy the palette for that price. I'd spend $6 on them, maybe even 7, but not 9. They're pretty. Okay, so that is box 1, July Boxycharm. I gotta clean off my hands, otherwise I won't have room to swatch the next box. Which I don't even know if I do or not. I'm gonna leave that so I don't make a mess everywhere. Okay. Again, here's the card for July. You can pause that and look at the details if there's anything that really floated your boat. Just great products in that box. That is not a fail. Alright. The next Boxycharm. Boxycharm. Whoop-de-doo. Alrighty. So first thing I see and grab is the card. It's not. I had to dig for the card. Here we go. Beach, please. So this is the August card. 1, 2, or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. I'm going to call it because there's a 3 brush set in here. But there's also there's a major brand palette as well. So here's the card. You can freeze it and read to your little heart's content. I'm going to pull it back down so I can use it. Alright, from the Beauty Crop, had face stuff, lip stuff, nails from the Beauty Crop. Let's see what this is. I have a mini in this somewhere close by. I have a mini of this. I'm not going to open it. I've seen this. Absolutely sure it's the same thing. Date night. So, Girl Power Liquid Lipstick by the Beauty Crop. Retail $15. Cool. Next, from Pure Cosmetics, P-U-R, U with an umlaut. Intense Crazy Pro Eyelashes. What's the shade? Bombshell, or the style is Bombshell. I really love the Trolls palette, but I don't do lashes. Waterproof gel eyeliner in black from Bella Pierre. That'll come in handy if it doesn't dry out. And from the Moda Pro Royal and Langnickel line, 3-piece brush set. Alright, so we have a pointed blush, a cheek chisel, and a crease brush. And these are vegan brushes, so they're cruelty-free. Okay, so the set is $26. And they have rubberized textured handles. There, you can see the texture. You can hear the texture maybe. And this is uber soft. It is very soft. Fluffy crease brush. I did this entire look with this Dirty Little Secret cosmetic brush, eye brush that came in one of those small palettes a few months ago. And this is a flat, very flat shader. I did this entire eye look with that, so because all my brushes are dirty, all of them. So I'll put this right into use. Next, we have the chisel. BMX 250, okay. I expected this to be longer. It is a very stubby chisel. But it does have that cupping aspect. Maybe you can see it here. It hugs the surface. Again, very soft, uber soft not really long bristles, so it's pretty dense but soft. And they say highlight and contour with a unique curved design. And the last brush is a pointed blush brush. Okay, BMX 130 pointed blush. I mean, it's not super pointed. You can see the length of the bristles now on the chisel. I mean, the length of the blending brush is as long as the chisel. Okay. I like plain wood blocks. Alright, 3 brushes from the Pro line of V-Moda, which is part of the Royal and Langnickel company. Royal and Langnickel actually make the art brushes that I use for watercolor and acrylics and what I use to blend out my oil pastels. So these are very cool. Cool company. I'm digging it. And then we have the eyelashes. And we have the lippy. And we have the waterproof gel eyeliner. But what we didn't see, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea 2. Alright, so this doesn't have parabens, mineral oil, phthalates, triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, or gluten, if you have any of those sensitivities. It does have dimethicone in quite a few combinations. It has mica, it has kale and clay, it has coconut oil, gardenia extract for scent. It is not vegan. It has, some of them have carmine in it. It has an algae extract. Okay, what I'm going to do, because I don't know anything about this algae extract, is I'm actually going to have to do a skin test before I use this on my eyes. So it comes with 4 looks. I always like it when palettes do that, to give you a starting point for your creativity. Alright, so Rainforest of the Sea Part 2. It's a beautiful compact. Violet, plum, gold, turquoise. It's got a disc of coverage. It's got a full mirror. And Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. We've got Pearl, Conch, Sunset, Marina, Seaside Siren, Breezy, and Riptide. So Riptide is a dark teal over here. It's more navy. And Breezy. Has a purple shift in under the gray. And then Siren should be plum. plum. Yes, smoky plum. And seaside. Let's do the last of the dark ones. There are the 4 dark shades in the palette. And then there's a pearl, a conch, and a sunset. Let's do sunset. I got a pinky free. That's gold. Sunset is gold. They certainly have a lot of dimethicone here. It's right here, sunset. A lot of dimethicone in them. Alright, so I'll be doing a skin test. Because I have no idea what this algae stuff is. And I want to make sure I'm not going to blow up like a balloon. But as far as the gardenia extract, I don't really smell it. Riptide and Breezy and Siren are beautiful shades. Seaside is a nice warm terracotta as well. Marina is kind of just a mid-tone brown. And Conch looks like a pink pearl. And Pearl looks like a white pearl. So, yeah. Overall, nice blue navy or plum smoky eye. Alright, be happy, be healthy, learn something new every day. These are the Boxycharm boxes of our lives. And if you have any questions on these, hit me up in the comments down below. I'm going to try to get back to posting weekly. We'll see how that goes. No promises. And I want to say hi and check in with all of my OG subscribers. Greetings, salutations. During my break, my subscriber count went up. I'm really surprised. Maybe people like it when I don't post. Maybe they voted don't post, don't post. But anyway, OG subscribers, drop a note down below so I can say hello and catch up with you. Ciao for now.